A severe tornado outbreak is impacting the southeast, bringing strong tornadoes, damaging winds, large hail, and flash flooding. It's crucial to take this threat seriously. Know your safe shelter locations and have multiple ways to receive warnings, especially since these storms may occur at night. This marks day 2 of the ongoing tornado outbreak. On Friday into early Saturday, numerous tornadoes touched down in the Mid-South and Midwest, including areas near St. Louis, Rolla, and Hartville, Missouri. Stay safe and stay informed. I apologize for any confusion earlier. Here's the English translation of the previous information. A powerful storm system swept through parts of the United States on March 14-15, 2025, resulting in multiple tornadoes and severe weather conditions across several states. Missouri was particularly hard hit, with reports of significant tornado activity and damage. A total of 32 individuals lost their lives, with Missouri experiencing the highest toll of 12 deaths. States: Kansas reported 8 fatalities, Mississippi 6, and Arkansas 3. The storm system affected over 100 million people, bringing blizzards, wildfires, and severe tornadoes.